Very good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
First of all, congratulations on being featuring on
Thank you.
Phenomenal She 4th edition book. Ma'am, first I would like to know your journey, how you, what's your journey about? Because you have been in this profession for a long time. So would you like to share your journey with us?
It's a pleasure. I come from a village in Karnataka. I grew up in that village called Gurpur, which had only one school in Kannada medium. If we were to go to English medium school, we had to brave the bus journey, which the parents would not allow for girls. And after that, I went to the prestigious St. Agnes College. From there, I got the inspiration to do law because of the family problems in property. So to rescue the family property, I had to switch over to law despite having a meritorious science degree. I don't regret that because I realized this is exactly the area which is required for liberation of women, which gives us the clarity about where women's rights are lacking. But from the time I joined the law school, where there were 8 girls out of 300, today I'm leading a law school where we have 60% of girls because there's a national merit test in which girls do better than the boys. However, when we go to the profession, the visibility of women in leadership is much less. So I really appreciate the initiative of Indian National Bar Association with this unique accent in terms of encouraging women's visibility and achievement. I feel that my entire journey from the rural recess in India to an international level of being a collaborator and Jean Monnet professor among many other things that I've accomplished through the opportunity given to me or taken by me in Symbiosis International University's Faculty of Law as the Dean and the prestigious Symbiosis Law School Pune's directorship. I think this whole journey wouldn't have been possible but for the fora like Phenomenal She, which identify women's achievements with the real emphasis and the authenticity that it requires. I appreciate this, and I feel that among many other recognitions I have received, this is closer to my heart because this came as an offshoot of the two visionary women who thought that this deserves a unique mention.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome.
And I really congratulate you for building this whole empire because I, being a law student and a junior advocate, even I feel that we are much behind the. But now, after listening to you, I really got inspired, and I feel that yes, we can all do something. If you can do it,
Yes.
then I can also do it. And
I think India has come of age because what is required for women is still remaining as only women's domain or committees of women looking at it. No, we have to break these kinds of ghettoization and we have to be mainstreamed. And I wish India has a day when women have their own voice in everything being heard louder and being seriously taken for even the most difficult leadership roles, especially in our field, where still the visibility at the senior level is much less.
ma'am,
Thank you.
your journey truly inspires me and a lot of people, be it with INBA, who are connected to INBA, but all others, especially girls who are female advocates, the junior ones, the interns. So I'd like to congratulate on your achievement
Thank
and
you.
for you being nominated and for being selected and facilitated by Indian National Bar Association. We are really pleasure to have you being honored with Indian National Bar Association. And ma'am, what I'd like to also mention that this book, Phenomenal She, it also promotes about how we can empower, we can recognize women more
Yeah,
and more.
yeah.
So how would you like to contribute to women empowerment in your journey, in your field?
I have already done it very consciously, whether in the law school or later on in employment or while employing people in the organization or while accommodating girls when they are in their family way or as students when they face culture related limitations. And there are girls also who have multiple disadvantages coming from remote areas, coming from minority, coming from disadvantaged sections of the society. To understand their complexity and then push them for their opportunities, their privileges and their access takes a very, very structured, conscientious agenda. INBA is doing it through these leadership. Phenomenal She is going to document such journeys. In my opinion, when we document women's experiences, it inspires other women. It makes their journey easy because it's not a path less traveled, but a path which has already been created by a few, from where diversions can happen towards better excellence. So I think young girls like you are our hope. Every time I see a student in front of me like you, I feel that my work is an unfinished agenda and you all will have to take it forward.
For
Thank you.
sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.